Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will be continuing the topic branch and departmental accounts. Study note number 10, branch and departmental accounts. Out of that, we will be doing branch accounts. Accounting system of dependent branch. 4 accounting systems are used by dependent branch. Second system is stock and debtor system, which is also known as analytical method. We have seen various ledger accounts prepared as per stock and debtors system in the books of head office. In this particular video, we'll be seeing various illustrations. First, we'll start with very simple question where head office sends goods to branch at cost price. So there is no question of loading and preparation of branch adjustment account. Example 4, page 510. A head office in Kolkata has a branch in Ahmedabad to which goods are invoiced at cost price. Head office invoices goods to branch at cost price. The following are the transactions between head office and branch for the year ending 31st December 15. Year ending is 31st December 15. Stock at branch on 1115. This is opening stock. Branch stock account. You are supposed to prepare to balance brought down 12,500. Debtors at branch on 1115. Opening debtors. Open branch debtors account to balance brought down 12,000. Petty cash at branch on 1115. This is opening petty cash. Branch petty cash account. You are supposed to open debit side to balance brought down 300. Goods sent to branch 45,000. Branch stock account debit to goods sent to branch account 45,000. And goods sent to branch account credit by branch stock 45,000. Cash sales. Branch stock account credit side by bank 16,000 or by branch cash 16,000. Money received from debtors, collection from debtors, go to branch debtors account, credit side, either by bank or by branch cash 29,500. Goods returned to head office, goods sent to branch account debit to branch stock account, go to branch stock account, credit side right, buy goods sent to branch account in bracket returned 3000. Goods sent to branch account debit side to branch stock 3000. Bad debts at branch and discount allowed to branch debtors. These are to be credited to debtors account as by branch profit and loss account. Goods returned by customers to branch stock account debit to branch debtors account. Branch stock account debit side to branch debtors 2000. Branch debtors account credit by branch stock 2000. Goods returned by customer to branch. Checks sent to branch for salaries and wages, for insurance and for petty cash. Branch expenses account debit to bank 9,000 for salaries and wages, 3,000 for insurance. Then go to branch petty cash account. Already you have written their opening balance to balance brought down. To bank, amount received from head office 510. Branch stock at 31st December 15. Debtors at branch on 31st December 15 and petty cash balance on 31st December 15. These three are closing balances. Go to branch stock account, by balance carried down. Go to branch debtors account, by balance carried down. Go to branch petty cash account by balance carried down. Now petty cash opening balance is 300, received from head office is 510, closing balance is 200. So 300 plus 510, 810 minus 200 is balancing figure. These are petty expenses. They are to be transferred to branch expenses account. So you are supposed to open branch expenses account. These two expenses are to be debited as well as balancing figure of petty cash at branch account. Opening balance plus received from head office minus closing balance are petty expenses which gets transferred to branch expenses account. Write up list necessary ledger accounts in the books of head office to record the above transactions. When your question is write up ledger accounts in the books of head office, then this is stock and debtors method. Now one by one we'll go through the accounts. As you have already noticed, credit sales are not given. It is balancing figure. So first we'll check branch debtors account. Opening balance is given, closing balance is given, collection from debtors is given in the question by bank, return by debtors is given, branch stock account debit to branch debtors account, goods returned by customers. Bad debts and discount allowed, it is debited to branch profit and loss account 1800. All these figures are given except this. This is balancing figure as credit sales, and entry for credit sales is branch debtors to branch stock. This is balancing figure will get transferred to branch stock account credit sales, and sales return will be branch stock to branch debtors. Now if you see branch stock account, opening stock is given, goods sent to branch is given, return from customer is given, cash sales are given, credit sales just now I told you it is a balancing figure, goods sent to branch, this is return by branch to head office, closing stock is given, so balancing figure is gross profit which gets transferred to branch profit and loss account. Branch profit and loss account credit side by branch stock for gross profit 18,300. Goods sent to branch account. Branch stock to goods sent to branch account 45,000. The goods sent to branch account by branch stock 45,000 and goods returned by branch to head office 3,000. So goods sent to branch stock 3,000 and balance of goods sent to branch account is closed by transferring it to either trading account or purchases account. Petty cash account, this I have already explained, to balance brought down by balance carried down to bank received from head office. Balancing figure is petty expenses which gets transferred to branch expenses account. By branch expenses, balancing figure petty expenses. Branch expenses to bank for salaries and wages and insurance, to branch petty cash, that is balancing figure of petty cash account. Balance will be transferred to profit and loss account by branch profit and loss account. Branch stock account gross profit figure is credited to branch profit and loss account. Expenses 12,610. Branch expenses account is to be closed. Transfer it to profit and loss account. Bad debts and discount allowed, we have credited it to branch debtors. So branch profit and loss account to branch debtors for bad debts and discount allowed. And the balancing figure of branch profit and loss account is branch profit or net profit earned in branch 3890, which is to be transferred to general profit and loss account. So you have to be very careful about preparation of ledger accounts and finding out the missing figures. In this particular question, credit sales were missing. We found out by preparing branch debtors account, and entry for credit sales is branch debtors to branch stock. So before closing branch stock account, you have to be very careful. First close branch debtors account. Then only close branch stock account. Now we'll go to next example. Example 6, page 513. During the year ended 31st December 15, X and Company of Madras sent to their branch at Bombay goods costing 1 lakh. Head office is sending goods to branch whose cost price is 1 lakh. They used to invoice to the branch at a price designed to show a gross profit of 33 1/3% on invoice price. Gross profit is 33 1/3% of invoice price. You have to be very careful. It is not 33 1/3% on cost. It is 33 1/3% of invoice price. That is, loading is 1/3 of invoice price. Now cost is 1 lakh. Find out loading, invoice price, and this amount is to be entered at invoice price and loading is to be transferred to adjustment account. Collection at branch from debtors amounting to 26,390 were all sent to head office. We are supposed to prepare branch debtors account, collection from debtors, branch debtors account, credit side by bank or by branch cash. Collection from debtors entry is bank account debit or branch cash account debit to branch debtors account. Now transactions during the year. Cash sales. Branch stock account you are supposed to prepare. Credit side by bank 1,21,050. Credit sales entry. Branch debtors to branch stock. Branch debtors account debit to branch stock in bracket credit sales. Branch stock account credit side by branch debtors. Goods returned by customers. Return inward. Branch stock account debit to branch debtors account. Branch stock debit 300. Branch debtors account credit side 300. Goods returned to head office at invoice price 780. Branch stock account credit side by goods sent to branch account 780. This is invoice price. 1/3 is loading on invoice price. 1/3 will be debited to branch stock adjustment account. Goods returned to head office. It is to be credited to branch stock account. Loading 1/3 of this will be debited to branch stock adjustment account. Stock at invoice price, opening stock and closing stock. Opening stock, branch stock account debit to balance brought down. Closing stock, branch stock account credit by balance carried down. Opening stock loading will be credited to branch adjustment account. Closing stock loading will be debited to branch adjustment account. Loading is 1/3. 1/3 of invoice price. Opening and closing sundry debtors. Branch debtors account to balance brought down by balance carried down. Goods at the branch of 1260 invoice price were lost. Goods lost at branch 1260 invoice price is to be credited to branch stock account. Loading 1/3 loading will be debited to adjustment account. Insurance company paid 730 claim bank account debit to goods lost at branch account. So if you open goods lost at branch, credit it 730 by bank. Branch expenses paid by head office 36,780. Head office paid branch expenses 36,780. This can be debited to branch profit and loss account because no breakup of expenses is given, so no need of preparing branch expenses account directly. Branch profit and loss account you can debit this. Show necessary ledger accounts as it would appear in head office books. Show necessary ledger accounts as it would appear in head office books. That means this is second method, stock and debtors method. Recording the above transactions relating to branch including branch profit and loss account. Branch stock adjustment account method, this is nothing but stock and debtors method. Now we'll see this note. When invoice price is 1, profit is 1/3 because profit is 33 1/3% of invoice price. So when invoice price is 1, profit is 1/3 and cost is 2/3. Why cost is 2/3? Invoice price minus profit is cost. 1 minus 1/3, 2/3 is cost. When invoice price is 1, cost is 2/3. Now it is given in the question that goods costing rupees 1 lakh were sent to branch by head office. So when cost is 2/3, invoice price is 1. When cost is 1 lakh, what is the invoice price? In that case, invoice price will be 1,50,000. Now see here, 2 balance brought down, 2250 is given. This is invoice price. Just now I have told you how to calculate 1,50,000. 2 goods sent to branch account 1,50,000. Now loading of opening stock as well as goods sent will be credited to branch stock adjustment account. Branch stock adjustment account. By balance brought down, you can write by stock reserve also. Loading on opening stock, 1/3 of opening stock. By goods sent to branch account, loading on goods sent, 50,000. Cost was 1 lakh. Invoice price is 1,50,000. Loading is 50,000. Now goods sent to branch account. By branch stock 1,50,000. To branch stock adjustment 50,000. This is loading which we just now have seen was credited to branch stock adjustment account. It is given in the bracket 1/4 of 1,50,000 in your question module, which is wrong. It is 1/3 of 1,50,000. Again we'll go back to branch stock account. First two entries I have explained. Third, by branch debtors, return from customers. Customer has returned branch stock to branch debtors. Branch debtors account, by branch stock 300. Cash sales by bank, credit sales, branch debtors to branch stock 27,600. Branch debtors account to branch stock 27,600 credit sales. 780 goods sent to branch account, that is returned from branch to head office 780. Loading will be debited to adjustment account. We'll go to adjustment account. Goods sent to branch account 1/3 of 780. Loading on goods return 260. Goods sent to branch account 780 you are crediting to branch stock account. Now goods sent to branch account you have to debit to branch stock account 780. Loading 1/3 of 780 by branch stock adjustment account. Loading from return 260. Just now we have seen this in adjustment account. Now goods sent to branch account will get closed. It is to be transferred to trading account. This is balancing figure 99,480. Goods branch stock account, again we'll go to branch stock account. Buy goods lost at branch 1260. Goods of invoice price 1260 lost in transit, and this is closing stock 2700. This is also given by balance carried down 2700. Now we'll see loading of these two, lost at branch as well as closing stock. You will find it to the debit side of adjustment account. Branch stock adjustment account, two goods lost at branch. Loading 1/3 of 1260 is 420. Closing stock, loading on closing stock 1/3 of 2700. This should be your last figure 900. You can write it here as buy stock reserve 900. Now if you go to goods lost at branch account, we have credited 1260 to branch stock account. So goods lost at branch account to branch stock 1260. Loading 420. Branch stock adjustment account we have debited. So here it will get credited to goods lost at branch account. By branch stock adjustment account 420. Received from insurance company 730. By bank 730. Balance will be transferred to branch profit and loss account. This is balancing figure. See here, branch profit and loss account 110. Branch stock adjustment account, if you see, all loading figures I have told you, opening stock loading, goods, goods returned, loading on goods returned by branch to head office, goods lost in transit loading, closing stock loading, now opening stock loading, goods sent to branch loading. Now this 840 is nothing but balancing figure of branch stock account. This is surplus of branch stock account. Again I will go back to branch stock account. Opening stock, goods sent to branch, return from customers, cash sales, credit sales, goods returned to head office, lost by branch, closing stock. Now this is not matching, the difference is surplus. It is also known as apparent profit. This surplus is to be transferred to branch adjustment account. This is your balancing figure. This is just now I have told you. Branch stock adjustment account 840. This is the balancing figure of branch stock account, surplus of branch stock account. Now close this branch stock adjustment account. It will show gross profit. This is balancing figure which gets transferred to branch profit and loss account. Gross profit transferred. This is balance figure 50,010. Branch profit and loss account by branch stock adjustment account gross profit 50,010. Now branch debtors account, all figures were given in the question, nothing was missing. Opening balance, closing balance, credit sales, collection, goods returned, and debit and credit is matching. So there is no balancing figure. You are supposed to check this. If it does not match, then one of the figure can be missing and you have to find out, you have to guess which can be the missing figure. We have checked this account also. Goods lost at branch account. Balancing figure goes to profit and loss account. This is gross profit. Branch expenses 36,780. Goods lost to branch account, and branch profit and loss account balancing figure is net profit at branch, which gets transferred to general profit and loss account. Now go to example 7, page 517. Bombay Traders Limited sends goods to its Madras branch at cost plus 25%. Cost plus 25%. When cost is 100, profit is 25, invoice price is 125. Loading on invoice price will be 25 divided by 125, which is 1/5. Loading on invoice price is 1/5. From the following particulars, you are required to show necessary ledger accounts in the head office books. So this is stock and debtors method. Opening stock at branch at cost to branch. At cost to branch is at invoice price to head office. Head office will be sending goods to branch either at cost or invoice price. Whatever may be the price charged by head office, whatever branch is receiving, it will treat it as cost only. So at cost to branch, it is not cost at to head office. Cost to branch is invoice price to head office. Branch stock account to balance brought down 20,000. 1/5 loading will be credited to branch stock adjustment account. Goods sent to branch at invoice price. Branch stock account debit to goods sent to branch account 80,000. 1/5 will be credited to branch stock adjustment account as loading. Loss in transit at invoice price 10,000. It is to be credited to branch stock account as by loss in transit. 1/5 loading will be debited to branch stock adjustment account. Pilferage at invoice price 4,000. It is to be credited to branch stock account as by pilferage 4,000. 1/5 loading will be debited to branch stock adjustment account. Normal loss through wastage at invoice price It is to be credited to branch stock account. Normal loss, but entire normal loss of 2000 is to be debited to adjustment account. In these two cases, these are abnormal losses, loss in transit and pilferage. What I told you, 1/5 loading will be debited to branch stock adjustment account, but in this particular case, entire 2000 is to be debited to branch stock adjustment account. Normal loss, entire amount is to be transferred to adjustment account. So branch stock adjustment account debit to branch stock account 2000. Sales, no information about debtors, opening closing debtors, credit sales, collection is given in this particular question. So these are assumed to be cash sales. Branch stock account credit side by bank 1,22,000. Expenses, branch profit and loss account, 2 expenses. Closing stock at branch at cost to branch. Branch stock account by balance carried down 24,000. 1/5 loading will be debited to branch stock adjustment account. Recovered from insurance company against loss in transit 6,000. Loss in transit is 10,000. It is to be debited to loss in transit account. Loading will get credited to loss in transit account. 6,000 also will get credited to loss in transit account as by bank. Bank account debit to loss in transit account. Balance gets transferred to branch profit and loss account. Now one by one we'll see the illustration, one by one we'll see the ledger accounts. So this illustration will be very clear to you. Branch stock account, to balance brought down, to goods sent to branch. 1/5 loading, you will find it to the credit side of branch stock adjustment account. Branch adjustment account, loading on opening stock 1/5, loading on goods sent 1/5. Goods sent to branch account by branch stock 80,000. This just now we have seen loading, it was credited to adjustment account. No return, so this account gets transferred by this account gets closed by transferring it to trading account. No return by branch to head office. Sales, I have told you 1,22,000. Opening and closing debtors are not given, therefore sales are assumed as cash sales. By bank or by branch cash, you are supposed to write for sales. Loss in transit, pilferage, normal loss, everything is to be credited to branch stock account. Out of these two, 1/5 loading, you will find it on the debit side of branch adjustment account, but this entire 2000 you will find on debit side of branch adjustment account. Closing stock is also given, 1/5 of closing stock also you will find on the debit side of adjustment account. Adjustment account, to branch stock normal loss, entire 2000. Loading on loss in transit 1/5. Pilferage 1/5 loading. And this is the last figure, closing stock, loading on closing stock. It is not 1/4, it is 1/5 of closing stock loading. Here you can write as stock reserve also 4,800. Now loss in transit account, to branch stock 10,000, by branch adjustment account 2,000, received from insurance company 6,000, balance gets transferred to branch profit and loss account 2,000. Pilferage account, to branch stock account 4,000, to branch adjustment account 800. Nothing has been received from insurance company, entire amount gets transferred to branch profit and loss account. Branch stock account, opening balance, goods sent to branch, sales, loss in transit, pilferage, branch adjustment, closing stock. Now this is not matching. 62,000 is balancing figure, branch adjustment account, surplus, apparent profit, entire apparent profit or surplus gets transferred to adjustment account. Branch adjustment account, By branch stock, apparent gross profit surplus 62,000. Now close branch adjustment account. Loading. No, this is entire amount of normal loss. This is loading, 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 this is surplus. This is balancing figure. Branch adjustment account is to be closed by transferring it to branch profit and loss account 70 to 400. Gross profit. This we have already seen, two accounts. Branch profit and loss account, two expenses, two loss in transit, balancing figure. Two pilferage account, balancing figure of pilferage account. Net profit of branch is the balancing figure of this branch profit and loss account. This is to be transferred to general profit and loss account. Net profit of branch 35,200. At cost to branch means at invoice price to head office. Now we'll see example 1, page 506. Priya Sales Corporation of Jaipur has branch at Kota to which goods are sent at 33 1/3% above cost. When goods are invoiced at 33 and 1/3% above cost, so you are supposed to find out the loading on invoice price. When it is 33 and 1/3% above cost, then that means it is 25% of invoice price. 1/4 of invoice price is loading. Remember it as a rule. Calculations I have already shown you. The branch makes sales both for cash and on credit. Branch expenses are paid direct from head office and branch has to remit all cash received into head office bank account at Kota. Following further details are given for the year ended 31st March 2012. Goods sent to branch at invoice price 18 lakhs. It is to be debited to branch stock account. Loading will get credited to stock adjustment account. Goods returned by branch at invoice price. It is to be credited to branch stock account. Loading will be debited to branch stock adjustment account. Stock at branch, opening stock, branch stock account to balance brought down. Loading to be credited to branch stock adjustment account. Branch debtors, opening debtors, branch debtors account to balance brought down. Cash sales, bank account debit to branch stock account by bank or by branch cash. Credit sales, branch debtors account debit, branch stock account credit. Cash received from branch debtors account as by bank. Discount allowed by branch debtors, by branch to debtors, bad debts, both will be credited to branch debtors account as by branch profit and loss. Branch profit and loss will be debited and branch debtors will get credited. Sales return at Kota branch. This is return, goods returned from debtors, sales return inward. Branch stock account debit to branch debtors. Salaries and wages, branch expenses account debit to bank. Rent, rates, taxes, branch expenses account debit to bank. Sundry expenses at branch expenses to bank. Stock at branch, closing stock at branch at invoice price. Branch stock account by balance carried down. Loading will be debited to branch stock adjustment account. You are required to show branch stock account, branch adjustment account, branch expense account, branch debtors account, branch goods sent to branch account, branch profit and loss account in the books of head office. As you are supposed to prepare various ledger accounts, this is stock and debtors method. One by one we'll see the ledger accounts. Branch stock account, to balance brought down 2,40,000. Goods sent to branch account is 18 lakhs and not 1,80,000. This is printing mistake. Now loading on both of this you will find it on adjustment account credit side, branch adjustment account, buy stock reserve, loading on opening stock, buy goods sent to branch account, loading on goods sent. Buy goods sent to branch account, goods returned 20,000, loading you will find it to the debit of adjustment account. Adjustment account to goods sent to branch, loading 5,000. Buy bank cash sales, buy branch debtors credit sales. If you go to branch debtors account to branch stock, these are credit sales. Balance carried down 3,60,000, loading you will find on the debit side of adjustment account. Adjustment account to stock reserve, loading actually this should be your last figure. Stock reserve, loading on credit closing stock, and this you can write in the middle. This should come as your last figure. Now if you see branch stock account, credit side we have seen everything. Now we'll go to debit side. Balance brought down we have checked. Goods sent to branch account we have return by debtors, branch stock to branch debtors. Now this is balancing figure which will be transferred to branch adjustment account. You can call it as apparent profit or surplus. Adjustment account, branch stock account surplus. Now branch adjustment account will show gross profit which will be transferred to branch profit and loss account. Now branch expenses account, salaries and wages, rent, sundry expenses. Expenses account gets closed by transferring it to branch profit and loss account. To branch expenses. Branch debtors account, to balance brought down, by balance carried down, by branch profit and loss account, discount and bad debts, by branch stock, sales return, by bank collection, to branch stock credit sales, to balance brought down. Collection is also given. Closing debtors are not given in the question. So closing debtors 2,61,000 is the balancing figure. Goods sent to branch account, by branch stock 18 lakhs. Goods returned to branch stock 20,000. Adjustment account 4,45,000. This is nothing but 4,50,000 minus this 5,000. If you go to adjustment account, net figure is 4,45,000. Goods sent to branch account gets closed by transferring it to purchases account or trading account. Branch profit and loss account, gross profit which you got from adjustment account, expenses account, debtors for discount and bad debts, and this is branch net profit which gets transferred to general profit and loss account. Now we'll go to illustration 9. Multi-Chained Stores Limited, Delhi has its branch at Lucknow and Chennai. It charges goods to its branches at cost plus 25%. Cost is 100, profit is 25, invoice price is 125. Loading on invoice price will be 25 divided by 125, which is 1/5. Following information is available of the transactions of Lucknow branch for the year ended 31st March 30. Balances as on 1/4/12, opening balances, stock at invoice price, to balance brought down. Loading will be credited to adjustment account. Debtors, Branch debtors account, to balance brought down. Petty cash account, to balance brought down. Transactions during the year 12-13 at Lucknow branch. They are having two branches, Lucknow and Chennai. These transactions are of Lucknow branch. Goods sent to Lucknow branch at invoice price. Branch stock account debit to goods sent to branch account. Loading will be credited to adjustment account. Goods returned to head office. Branch stock account credit as buy goods sent to branch account. Loading will be debited to adjustment account. Cash sales. Branch stock account credit side as buy bank. Credit sales. Branch stock to branch. Credit sales branch debtors account debit to branch stock account. Goods pilfered at invoice price. Branch stock account credit. Goods lost by fire at invoice price. Branch stock account credit. Both will be credited to branch stock account. Loading of this will be debited to adjustment account. Insurance company paid to head office for loss by fire at Lucknow. Loss by fire. You are supposed to open loss by fire account. Debit side to branch stock. Credit side by adjustment. Credit side by bank. Received from head office. Balancing figure gets transferred to profit and loss account. Cash sent for petty expenses. Branch petty cash account debit to bank received from head office. Bad debts at branch. Debtors account. Branch debtors account credit side by branch profit and loss. Goods transferred to Chennai branch under head office advice 15,000. These goods are transferred to Chennai branch. Goods are going out from Lucknow branch, so it is to be credited to branch stock account and loading will be debited to adjustment account. Insurance charges paid by head office. Branch profit and loss debit. Goods returned by debtors. Branch stock to branch debtors. Closing balances, petty cash and debtors by balance carried down. Petty cash balance as well as debtors balance. But closing stock is not given. So that will be balancing figure of branch stock account. Goods worth 15,000 including above sent by Lucknow branch to Chennai branch was in transit on 31st March 13. That is this 15,000 goods sent to Chennai branch by Lucknow branch are in transit. Branch stock account we are crediting it in. This is invoice price, so loading will be debited to adjustment account. Show the following accounts in the books of Multi-Chained Stores Limited. Lucknow branch stock account, Lucknow branch debtors account, Lucknow branch adjustment account, Lucknow branch profit and loss account, stock reserve account. Stock reserve account has been asked to prepare. Opening stock loading will be credited as by balance brought down. Closing stock loading will be debited as to balance carried down. And both these will get transferred to adjustment account. Very simple account, stock reserve account. One by one I will show you each and every ledger account, how it is to be prepared. Lucknow branch stock account, to balance brought down, to goods sent to branch. Loading you will find on credit of adjustment account. 1/5 loading of 30,000 and 3,25,000. By balance brought down, loading on opening stock. By goods sent to branch, loading on goods sent. 1/5 of opening stock and 1/5 of goods sent. Now I will show you stock reserve account. Stock reserve account by balance brought down. Loading of opening stock, this which gets transferred to stock adjustment account. To stock adjustment account transfer. Just now we have seen this. So these two we have seen. Branch stock account debit side. Third debit is to branch debtors. Return inward entry is branch stock to branch debtors. Debtors account you will find it On the credit side of branch debtors account, that we'll see afterwards. Cash sales by branch cash. Credit sales branch debtors to branch stock. This will find in branch debtors account afterward. Credit sales. Goods to buy goods sent to branch account. Returned from branch 10,000. Loading will be debited to adjustment account. To goods sent to branch account. Loading on goods returned 2,000. By pilferage account, by loss by fire account, pilferage, loss by fire. And Chennai branch account, goods transferred but in transit. Pilferage, loss by fire, Chennai account. All these three loading you will find in adjustment account debit side. Pilferage account loading 1/5. Loss by fire loading 1/5. Transferred but in transit to Chennai branch 1/5 loading. Closing stock is not given. 48,500 closing stock is balancing figure. Don't forget to find out loading on this, which you will show in stock reserve account as well as in adjustment account. First we'll see stock reserve account. Loading on closing stock 9,700, which gets transferred to adjustment account. Now you will find it to the debit of adjustment account. Adjustment account loading on closing stock, balance is gross profit. This is loading, this is loading, 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 loading. Balance figure gross profit, which will get transferred to profit, branch profit and loss account. Stock reserve account will have seen. Stock lost by fire account 5,000. We have credited to branch stock account. Now we'll debit to this account 1,000. We have debited to adjustment account. Now we are crediting it to loss by fire account. 3,000 received from insurance company. Balance will get transferred to branch profit and loss account. Lucknow branch debtors account, to balance brought down. To branch stock account, credit sales. By branch profit and loss account for bad debts. By branch stock account, return inward. Balance carried down was given. By branch cash, collection from debtors. This is your balancing figure. Petty cash account. To balance brought down was given. Received from head office was given. To cash or to bank. By balance carried down is given. So this is your balancing figure 33,820, which you will transfer to branch profit and loss account. If you are preparing branch expenses account, then you can transfer this to branch expenses account also. But finally branch expenses account gets closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. The effect is same. As we are not preparing branch expenses account, transfer it to branch profit and loss account. Balancing figure. These are petty expenses. Branch profit and loss account. By branch stock adjustment account, gross profit. To branch debtors account for bad debts. This is insurance. Pilferage, we credited to branch stock account. Loading we debited to adjustment account, and remaining cost will get debited to profit and loss account. Stock lost by fire, we opened the account, balance gets transferred to profit and loss account. Petty expenses, just now we have seen branch petty cash account. This is the net profit of branch, which gets transferred to general profit and loss account. Thank you.